baby. Talk about the talk about. Talk about the talk about. Talk about the walkabout. Go reach in your pockets. What? No buttons, no lid. Lift up my t-shirt. No gat in the front, no frontin'. It must be, I'm just being me. The true Theory D in an age of propaganda. Live a life like Christ and the ego can't stand you. Yeah, that's right, Christ never had a mic. He never had a nine. Well, I got both. In a world full of violence, immature Mercury minds. It's no wonder he done left and left you all behind. You built up your church with a blind lead the blind. You built up a history that fabricates the mystery. You built up a healthcare, leaves them all struggling, unhealthy, on welfare.
Welfare.
What we supposed to do with that? Do with that? I know it's hell on earth cause we glamorize warfare.
What
That's
you gonna
a
do
fact.
with that? That's a fact. We ain't no skitters that we don't roll in packs. We're individuals. We're just one man trying to live a life with no fucking mother fans. Just trying to be all that I can. Sometimes I stand. Sometimes I'm the man. Doesn't really matter if I can or if I can't. Cause I'll break your neck in two if I got it from a Bentleys. I don't really care. White wall tires and cash to throw in the air. Don't give a fuck. I live from the dirt. I'll grow my roots from my brain like a Kurt. Don't want to twerk. I want revenge. I want revenge. I want revenge. This
Oh
is the
yeah, fuck that. Fuck a life living with them phony little homies. Oh, you don't know me. Fuck that, blow me. I be into it then. I don't need no pen. I'm just spitting off the top of my dome and leave it all alone. And you wanna claim my throne? Wait. Switch it up just a little bit, switching up the flow. Then it's back to the basics, back to the basement. There was no replacement. Drinking on the liquor, I could rap like Lil Wayne. But
Don't say goodnight. We just laid pipe. We're not scared. We don't get frightened because it's Halloween coming. October 31st. It doesn't really matter because I don't have that thirst. I'll go